Hello, this is a quick video that's going to demonstrate project owner functionality on the NRDS reporting application. So I've logged in and I get to the default page that opens. It has a series of dashboards with different types of functionality. There's a main dashboard that sums up all the different metrics. You can filter by date, the project, the report itself, the report team, or island. And each of the different sub dashboards section out information, and they're also filterable by date, project, report, team, island, or TMK as well. So let's get into setting up a new report project. So you come over here to this project contacts tab, and you have three sections. You have grants and projects. This is the overarching contract template. Then you have the grant deliverables or milestones, where you set up a template for each report. And then there is this third section where you can look at reports that have been submitted or are in progress. So starting at the very beginning, I'm going to create a new project or a new contract. I come over here to add project and I type in the name. So the project owner will automatically default to whoever's logged in, or me. The project owner is essentially the person who sets up the project. Then they can set editors, and editors are other people on their team that also have access to the project and the reports under that project. So I'm going to pick a few people, and these people will also have editing capabilities and approval capabilities for any reports that come in under this contract. And then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set up who is going to be reporting to me under this contract. I'm going to move them from one side of the table to the other, and I'm going to save. So that's setting up a new contract. Then the next thing is if you need to edit it, you can come over here and you can select it and edit it by clicking the green square on this right-hand side. Now I'm going to set up a template for my reports. So I'm going to come to my next thing right here, which says contract grant deliverables or milestones, and I'm going to add a new milestone. Click add milestone. I'm going to select the name of my project. I'm going to give the milestone a name. Now every milestone needs to have a unique name. So I'm going to call it, quarter one. I'm going to put the start date, the end date, and the due date. And it's a good time to just save, just in case. Then I'm going to pick which teams are going to report for this specific milestone. So conceptually, you have a project, which is the grant, like FY20, or grant or a contract, which is like FY20 contracts. Then you have the milestones, which is like quarter one, quarter two. And then you can apply which organizations, which teams or contractors are going to report for this specific quarter one. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my narrative questions. So you can either copy narrative questions from an existing template, or you can add a new one. Then you set up the sections that are going to be part of this report. So I'm just going to select them all. And then once I've selected my sections, I'm going to say which contractors are going to report on which sections. So for example, let's say this FSI contractor is only doing fence work. This HIFA contractor only has interns, or maybe they both have intern reporting. Once I've applied the which contractors are reporting under which sections for this Q1 report, I'm going to save. Now, on the contractor side or the reporter side, they're going to have an option for creating a report for Q1, and that report will have the sections that you have designated. So that's a quick overview of setting up the reports. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.